Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore S3 permissions for automated AI exports step by step clearly. To restore S3 permissions for automated AI exports, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service from the console dashboard. Locate the bucket that contains the automated AI exports. Click on the bucket name to open its details. Select the Permissions tab from the bucket's overview page. Review the block public access settings. Ensure that the block public access options are configured based on your needs. Next, scroll down to the Bucket Policies section. Check if the current bucket policy allows the necessary permissions for the AI services. If adjustments are needed, click on Edit to modify the bucket policy. Add or update the permissions to allow actions such as S3 getObject and S3 putObject. Remember to specify the principal the AI service it connects to. Save changes to your bucket policy after editing. Now, navigate to the Access Control List or ACL settings. Ensure that the appropriate permissions are granted to the roles accessing the bucket. Consider adding an IAM user or role with specific access rights if necessary. Ensure the policy attached to the IAM role has permissions for S3 actions. Verify the policy by checking its JSON structure for accuracy. Test the connection by running an automated AI export. Monitor any error messages in the logs for further troubleshooting, if needed. Once the exports are successful, document the changes made for future reference. You have now restored S3 permissions for automated AI exports. This process helps ensure seamless integration and functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.